Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on BRA. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in BRA login. As the search result, in the first option, you can see the website of BRA. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal of BRA. And over here, enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, in the password section, enter the password of your account. To confirm your password, you can click here on the eye icon. And once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your BRA account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here Forgot Your Password to reset it. And if you want to create an account on BRA, you can click here on the Sign Up button. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.